It took me a while. Hot honey. Oh yeah, I like it. You gotta check out this hot honey barbecue chicken. Stay tuned.
Hello everyone, I'm Mike the Stew Burner. Welcome to the channel. I'm a retired Navy cook doing the thing I love to do the most, and that's cook. Today, what are we doing? We're doing hot honey chicken. My first attempt at it. I've never even looked at a recipe, but I figure I can pretty much nail it. So I have some chicken legs here that I've been marinating for about 2 hours in JO seasoning. What's JO seasoning, you asked? JO seasoning a lot like Old Bay, but actually better. And I have some Mike's hot honey here. So what we're gonna do is I'm gonna get these loaded into my little chicken leg rack, get them on my charcoal grill here, let them cook till they're about 90% done, hit them with a little hot honey, finish them off, then another little drizzle of hot honey, and I think we're gonna have a winner here. So stay tuned. I'm gonna get these on my rack, we'll get them on the grill, and we'll continue on. Chicken legs loaded on my leg rack. This works great. I think I did it up Peruvian chicken on the rack, and you saw how that came out. All right, I have charcoal on one side of the grill here. I'm gonna go ahead and put this on the non-charcoal side. Get this going. Actually gonna shut it. There we go. Get that shut. We'll come back and look at it about 10 minutes or so, because we want to make sure they're not burning. And I've got this set right now at 400, so it's a little hot. I'm gonna go ahead and reduce the heat down, and all you do is shut your vents down a little bit to adjust your heat. All right, 10 minutes, we'll come back, we'll see how they're going, probably give them a turn and keep on rolling. So I'm thinking it's gonna take about 35 minutes in all to cook these legs. I let that go to 15 minutes, not 10, and they're already getting nice and brown. So I'm gonna go ahead and give these a turn. Be very careful you don't burn yourself. Wow, does that look good or not? So about another 15 minutes, and we'll give it another check. We'll give it a temp, see where we're at, and go from there. So they're cooking just a little bit faster than I want them to. So what I've done to help protect them so they don't get all burned up, I've taken a little bit of foil and I've draped it over the chicken legs so we can kind of protect it a little bit and let it cook from the inside. Anyways, let me get this shut. We'll come back. Right now we're looking at about 120 degrees. So they got about another 45 more degrees to go. And we definitely want to make sure that we don't overcook them. Because don't forget, I also have to put a little bit of that hot honey on them just before they finish. So anyways, so about another 5-10 minutes, we'll take another look at them. We'll give them a temp. We'll probably get them in the hot honey for its final cook. And we're looking good so far. We're just gonna slow down that browning. We'll be right back. All right, so 10 minutes later, I have temped them at about 155 degrees. We got about another 10 degrees more to go till they're done. So what I'm gonna do now is I'm gonna take them off the rack, get them in the bowl here, and then get a little of this hot honey on them. Get them back on the rack and let them finish off the last 10 degrees. Now if it goes to 170, no big deal. I'm looking for 165. 170 is not gonna be the end of the world. So let me get these off. We'll get some hot honey on them and we'll come on back. Okay, we have them all off the rack in my bowl here. And now I want to point out, I am not getting paid by Mike's Hot Honey. I just happen to love the name. Okay, and I've never had this before, but it did say Mike on it. So it's gotta be good, right? All right, so I'm gonna put about 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 tablespoons of the honey on the chicken. Give this a little toss to get it all coated. All right, I'm gonna get these back on the rack, finish them off, and then we're gonna come on back and give them a try. We are right at 35 minutes, and take a look at that. I don't know if you can, do I have it on camera here? Hopefully. Actually, let me go ahead and pull it off because it's done. Get that shut. Be very careful. The rack is hot. Look at that. Let me take a temp. 171. Oh yeah, 170 all around. So it's like 5 degrees more than really where I was heading for, but that's fine. It's chicken. We're good to go. All right, I'm gonna get these plated up. Then we're gonna come over and try it. So don't go anywhere. The best is yet to come. Actually, I'm gonna plate it up and I'm gonna put a little drizzle of that hot honey on top. Don't go anywhere. Well, I'm back. Now, does this not look good or what? But now, just a little drizzle, just to finish it off. And there we go. I got to tell you, it smells really good. Okay, before we actually try this, let's do the episode shout out to get some business done. All right, this episode is dedicated to all the newly initiated Chief Petty Officers of the Navy. Congratulations, welcome aboard, shipmates, brothers and sisters. I tell you what, I get goosebumps thinking about it. I remember the day that I got initiated and promoted to Chief Petty Officer in the Navy, and what a fantastic day it was. My dad was there. He pinned me. Oh, I'll never forget. Anyways, let's give these a try. This one right here. Look at that char. I almost don't want to bite it. All right, but I got to. We've got to take one for the team. Let me go in. Wow. Get the heck out of Dodge City. That's absolute. I've never had hot honey. It's got just an, they had like extra hot honey. I stayed away from that. This one right here is the original. It's got just enough zing to it. I didn't realize how good it was going to be, but it's absolutely fantastic. My daughter's been talking about, I guess she gets hot honey on her pizzas. Go figure. I might have to try that one. Anyways, absolutely fantastic. You saw how easy it was to make. 35 minutes on your charcoal grill. So there you have it. Another winner chicken dinner. If you enjoyed this video, please hit the like button, subscribe, most importantly share, and right over there, bang, hit that logo. It makes it so much easier to subscribe to the channel. So until next time, thanks, and we'll see you.